This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we are talking about disposable salad bowls or containers, specifically these great Thermotech salad containers. They're made of a stylish, clear plastic, and you can see they have a lovely sphere shape. Since they're clear, they're really going to show off the ingredients that you're using, which is a fantastic selling point, and it also makes it really easy for customers to identify what's in pre-packaged goods. They come in a couple of different sizes. We have the 12 ounce here and the 21, and they're also available in a 28 ounce size. They come with the lids, which as you can see, lock into place really well, right? They're nice and secure, which that snap-on fit is gonna give you a great seal, and it's gonna help prevent leaks and spills. So think if there's salad dressing in there, not a problem. They're gonna make great to-go containers for salad bars or even as grab-and-go containers for prepared foods. I love that they leave a lot of headroom up in here. So if you wanna do things like prep the salad greens and be able to add the other flavorful ingredients like tomatoes, cucumbers, whatever, to your prepared greens, it makes for a great little way to do that because you have all this great headroom on top. So it's a great way for you to be able to easily customize pre-prepared mixes for your customers if they're looking to get salad on the go. These are going to be great containers, to-go containers for things like salad bars, smoothie bars, if you're looking to do things like fruit salad or even things like yogurt bowls or some of the really other kind of popular things that have been going on where there's a lot of added ingredients and mix-ins and toppings. These have a lot of nice headroom and really show things off stylishly. The plastic is BPA free, which is fantastic, and they're also recyclable, which is always a plus. Since they're clear, they're going to really show off what's inside, but also they're a great item to really just add some branding to. So if you want to add a sticker for your restaurant or establishment or just a label for what's inside, you've got a fantastic large area to do that. They're also going to be great for any kind of cold noodle dishes or even desserts that have layers. So think if you're looking to do some things like some prepared large servings of say banana pudding where you're looking to add in cookies or whipped cream or any kind of layered desserts like trifles. These will really show them off in a stylish and unique way.